Okay, guys, Mr. Croy here, and I'm going to be talking to you just a little bit about Doc 5 and Doc 6. So we're going to go real quick here. On Doc 5, okay, what you need to know is, and I think you already do know this, is how to pull up the MLA document for Google Drive. But if you don't, when you go into Drive, if you'll go to Google Docs and you'll go to Template, that'll obviously bring up your document. And then you'll end up having to go over here to the right side where it says report in MLA right here. Right here, okay, this portion right here, and you'll just click on that, okay. And once you click on that, then you'll just click on that right there, and then that will bring up the MLA report, and you'll be able to enter the information that you need for document 5. Okay, so now into document 6, because document 6 has a ton of stuff that we need to go over. Okay, so in document 6, again, you're going to be using sheets and docs. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to end up bringing up a sheet. You're going to read through all the instructions, but you're going to bring up a sheet. So you need to know how to do a couple of things in sheets. Okay. Once you enter in all your information, okay, you're going to need to know how to do a couple of things. You're going to need to know how to change all the numbers here to currency, and you can do that by highlighting, okay? Then come up here to Format, click on Number, and then go right down here to Currency, click that, and look, it changes it all right there to currency, okay? Then you need to know how to bold a row, okay? The top up here, these are columns. Over here to the side, these are rows, okay? So if I was going to highlight row 1, I could just click on row 1, okay? And I can come up here to my bold button, hit bold, and it would bold it, okay? Now, if I was going to bold just a cell, okay? A cell is this blue highlighted area. So A2 is this cell here. So if I was just going to bold that cell, I could do that. I could click my bold button, and then if I was going to center that cell, I would just come over here to my to this radio button here. This would drop down, and I could hit center, and it would be centered. So that's how you would center or bold a cell. Okay. So how do I resize that font? Again, if I've got the cell highlighted in blue here, I can come right up here to my point fonts, and I can just change that to whatever it needs to be. Okay, and that's how I would change that. Now, one thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to transport this over to a doc. And now I've already showed you how to do that, but I'm going to do it real fast. I'm just going to transport part of this over. Okay, so I've highlighted it. I go to edit, right? I hit copy, and then I go to my document, and here I'm going to hit paste. And here, right, it says link to spreadsheet or paste unlinked. Go ahead and hit paste unlinked. If you hit link to spreadsheet, anytime you change anything on the spreadsheet, guys, it'll change over here in this document as well. So we're going to hit paste. Look, there it is. Okay, now we need to change the borders to where they don't show, all these little black lines. So how we're going to do that is we're just going to highlight. We're going to highlight this thing like this. We're going to come up here to our 3 dots, and right here, see it says border color? We're going to click that, and click white. Okay, just click white here. All right, once we do that, look, they just magically disappear. Okay, so those are just a few things you need to do, and I know I went really fast over that, but if you need to watch the video again, just watch it, and that will clear up anything that you have to do for Docs 6 that includes the sheets. And remember how to find Doc 5 in the template for MLA format. If you need anything else, let me know, guys.